Hey guys, Dave Santarelli here from the Santarelli Exchange. We just made a trade. This right here at 11:02, 11:03, maybe 11:04. That is my exit. Where we in the trade room today made a day trade. We entered right here. I actually had an order right here when Fed Powell, the Fed chairman, was talking, and he was talking about not really raising interest rates too much in 2019. He's going to sit back and see how the economy is doing. So that caused the market to pop right there. We got in, we placed the limit order. It wasn't filled, so we had to keep upping it. And we finally got in here. And we've seen how it was coming down to the 50-day SMA and then bouncing. So we got in here for $1.20 contract, and then we sold here for $1.55 contract. That's a 30% return. As you can see right here, the fourth, we only made that one trade today. We were in opening transaction $1.20, closing transaction $1.55. So if you do 1.55, divide that by 1.2, that's a 29.17% return. Now what I want to do, I want to show you guys the returns for December. So let's go December 1st to December 31st here. Let's take a look, and you'll see for the month of December, we've had a $32,254 gain for the month of December. And if you look here, each one of these, as you can see, are gains. Look at these gains, and we only have that one losing trade for the month of December. And that's patience and discipline. That's what will get you there. So here's our transactions from today. As you can see, here's the time, date, and stamps. 11/4, we bought 25 altogether of the Diamond January 4, 233.50 strike calls at $1.20. We got those at 10:26 a.m. and then at 11:02 a.m. So what's that? About a half hour, 37 minutes into the trade, and we sold it for $1.55, 30% return. And as you can see, we made a quick $840 gain just watching. And as you can see, 10:26, that was right here, like I said. And then when was the exit? The exit was 11:02. So if you look here, 11:02, here it is right here, $1.55. That's my exit right there, showing up on the charts. Here was my entry. Here was my exit. We exited just about perfect timing. It went up to $1.60. We sold it $1.55. We bought it $1.20. When we were wanting to get in, it was only 95 cents. So if we got in at 95, 1.55, divide that by 0.95, that would have been a 63.16% return. But the market just kept climbing after Fed Powell came on. So that's about it, guys. As you can see, we've just been trading breakout momentum, breakdown momentum, and we are doing really great trade in those. Here's what it looks like, guys. You know, if you come and look at it, this is my trade system at Santarelli Trading Exchange. We have the no trade zone, we have the breakdown momentum, we have the no trade zone, breakdown momentum, and then breakout momentum would have been right here. But, you know, as you can see, when I made this at first, it was only up to this area. So all this happened after. But as we could see here then, if we look, let's take a look here. Here's the actual Diamond ETF. And if you could see, for the past several years, we've been in breakout momentum. And we've just been climbing. And then once we had that crossover, things started heading south. You see the candles here were all below the 10-day SMA. That's our breakdown momentum. No trade zones when we're trading between the SMAs, not much going on. And then we had our big breakdown momentum for the month of December, which we profited hugely on. You know, and that's our system, guys. As you could see, you've seen my December. We had a great December because we were in pure breakdown momentum, and we were buying puts. Some days we were buying calls on the up days, and we literally nailed every single day there with day trading. You know, and the thing is, once we're in either pure breakdown momentum or breakout momentum, that's when we could do the swing trades. For right now, especially as we're coming back up here on this wave here before we possibly have the next wave lower, right now it's just day trades. There's too much uncertainty to pick a side and start doing some swing trades. But as you can see here, we're starting to get the crossover on the MACD here. So things are starting to look a little bit different here. We'll see how the week goes. Like I said, it's just patience and discipline, guys. If you guys are patient and disciplined and you could wait for these trade setups with us, you're going to do very well. Here was Tesla, perfect example, guys. This is our system. These boxes here, these are our entries and our exits. This is a great system, and as you can see for the month of December, we've been using it, and we've been doing extremely, extremely well. Alrighty, guys, so I'm going to get back to trading here now, and we'll catch you guys soon. Again, guys, December 1st to December 31st. How would you guys like to have a month like that? Look at all these trades. $32,254.68. December 1st to December 31st. And as you can see here, all winning trades. We had one losing trade in the account. And here's the opening dates and the closing dates. So that's about it, guys. I'm going to get back to our trade room now. So I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you enjoy. Take care, guys. God bless, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.